Hey, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So you can see some balloons here, no? Yesterday was Adi's birthday, so we celebrated. I couldn't take any videos because I was very busy because we had lot of guests here. You may think that what I am going to prepare today, no? I'm going to show you a simple breakfast recipe. What would you feel if you can prepare a breakfast in 5 minutes? Yeah, you woke up, then only spend 5 minutes in kitchen for breakfast. That is great, no? So I'm going to give such a recipe to you. That is, we say that poha. With the poha, we are going to prepare a delicious dish. That is, poha means in Malayalam we call it avil, white color. So this is very delicious and yummy. We don't need much ingredient. Only we need poha, that is avil in Malayalam. Then we need little bit cumin seeds, jeera and turmeric powder. We are going to prepare in sunflower oil. Please don't use coconut oil. This is a North Indian dish with the coconut oil, so don't use coconut oil. Last we will garnish with coriander leaf. Okay, let's see how I am going to prepare this dish. Then okay, so let's go. Take a pan, pour 2-3 teaspoons sunflower oil in it. Add some cumin seeds once it heated. Wait until it cracked. Then add finely chopped green chilli. Then we can add finely chopped onion. Saute it well until it softens. In this stage, we can add turmeric powder and salt. In this stage, we can add soaked rice flakes or poha. We should soak the rice flakes before we start this procedure. Mix this all ingredients together. Add some coriander leaves. Now we can close it with a lid for 2 minutes. Look, our poha ready. Yeah, the preparation over. Very simple, no? Only need 5 minutes. This is my one of the favorite breakfast dish. So please try this. Okay, you can hear the sound, no? It's raining outside. So today this much only. We can see in another video. So please like and subscribe my channel if you haven't yet done it. Bye bye. Keep smiling.